Pluto is a faraway and perplexing dwarf planet once regarded as a member of our solar system's family of planets. However, recent provocative comments from prominent astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Mitaku have brought Pluto into public discussion again with an eye-opening revelation. They suggested that this icy world might be heading for a collision with Neptune. But how could such an event be possible, and what would the consequences be if it were to happen? Could this be an intriguing but exaggerated prediction? Or is there a genuine cause for concern about a catastrophic event? Let's delve into the potential outcomes of a Pluto-Neptune collision. Once classified as a planet, Pluto was demoted to a dwarf planet due to its unusual orbit, and it remains a subject of significant interest within the astronomical community. Recent observations from top experts emphasize that Pluto's orbit is dangerously close to Neptune's path. Both Neil deGrasse Tyson and Mayo Kaku have raised alarms over the possibility of a deadly collision between these two distant planets, a scenario that could pose a serious risk to Earth. But how can such a collision be even remotely plausible? Pluto's journey around the Sun is unlike any other planet in our solar system. It takes an intricate 248 years to complete just one orbit, meaning that since its discovery in 1930, Pluto has yet to finish a single full orbit. But that's not all. Pluto's orbit is marked by its irregular elliptical shape, which significantly deviates from the nearly circular orbits of most other planets. Adding to the peculiar nature of Pluto's orbit is its 17 degrees tilt to the ecliptic plane, a trajectory that is much steeper than the paths followed by the other planets. A particularly fascinating aspect of Pluto's orbit is its intersection with Neptune's orbit. For approximately 20 years during each revolution, Pluto comes closer to the Sun than Neptune, which contradicts their expected relative positions in the solar system. This raises the intriguing question: why hasn't Pluto collided with Neptune? The answer lies in the gravitational influence exerted by other planets. Shortly after Pluto's discovery, astronomers began studying its distinctive orbit. Unlike the orbits of other planets that mostly lie in the ecliptic plane, Pluto's orbit stood out for its steep angle and elliptical shape. The complexity of Pluto's path became even more apparent as scientists realized it actually crosses Neptune's orbit. Despite these unusual characteristics, Pluto's orbit exhibits remarkable stability, thanks to the gravitational effects of the solar system's other bodies. The three-body problem in celestial mechanics seeks to explain the gravitational interactions and movements of three celestial bodies, like Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun. Pluto's path through the solar system is somewhat erratic. Minor changes in initial conditions can lead to major differences in the trajectory over long periods. However, studies have shown that Pluto's orbit has remained stable over extended time frames, maintaining order amidst the apparent chaos. Simulations have helped us understand how Jupiter's immense gravitational pull, among other factors, ensures Pluto's steady movement around the Sun for billions of years. These factors are essential in keeping our solar system relatively orderly and preventing chaos from overtaking it. Pluto's orbit is a striking example of how stability and chaos coexist within the solar system. The forces at play, particularly the gravitational influence of neighboring planets like Neptune, showcase the intricate and dynamic nature of space. Predicting large-scale events, especially those involving volatile orbits such as Pluto's, is incredibly challenging. The inherent unpredictability of these systems makes long-term predictions uncertain. While numerical simulations offer valuable insight into the future movements of celestial bodies, they also emphasize the limitations of our ability to predict space events with complete accuracy. This brings us to an interesting question. Why are prominent astrophysicists raising alarms about a potential collision between Pluto and Neptune now? Despite the various gravitational forces working to prevent such an event, experts like Neil deGrasse Tyson and Mayo Kaku have expressed growing concern about a potential impact between these two planets. If Pluto and Neptune were to collide, it would be a significant and catastrophic event within our solar system. The collision would release an enormous amount of energy, likely leading to Pluto's destruction due to its smaller size and frigid structure. The debris scattered from the collision could create dangers throughout the solar system, potentially threatening the planets and their moons. For Neptune, the effects could be profound as well, possibly altering its atmosphere and orbit depending on the nature of the impact. Mayo Kaku, a renowned theoretical physicist noted for his work in string theory, offers an intriguing perspective on the situation. His research into the future of space exploration and the connection between celestial mechanics and theoretical physics provides valuable insights into the mysteries of phenomena such as Pluto's orbit. Understanding the complex gravitational interactions that shape Pluto's movements can offer important lessons for future space missions. This knowledge will be vital for better exploring our solar system, preparing for potential threats, and even planning missions to the farthest reaches of our planetary system and beyond. The lessons we learn from studying Pluto's orbit can extend to our exploration of other distant worlds. By understanding how planets interact in space, we gain critical insights into celestial mechanics and the movement of other planetary bodies. These discoveries can also aid in future space missions, as we plan to investigate other dwarf planets and trans-Neptunian objects. Pluto's strange, eccentric orbit challenges our understanding of planetary motion. It serves as a reminder that space is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we may have assumed. Celestial mechanics and string theory are intricately connected. The gravitational interactions and orbital movements of planets like Pluto and Neptune relate to the fundamental principles of physics. If Pluto and Neptune were to collide, it would be a groundbreaking event in the field of cosmology, offering a fascinating opportunity for research that might even tie into string theory. String theory, which proposes that point-like particles in physics could actually be replaced by one-dimensional strings, aims to explain the fundamental forces and matter of the universe. A collision between Pluto and Neptune could generate extreme energy and gravity, potentially creating conditions where string theory's predictions might be observable. For example, such a high-energy event could offer a glimpse into the behavior of elementary particles and forces under extreme conditions, which is one of the major areas of study in string theory. Though the direct impact of a Pluto-Neptune collision on Earth would be minimal due to our distance from the outer solar system, the scientific implications could be far-reaching. It could significantly contribute to our understanding of the universe's fundamental nature, particularly in areas related to string theory and theoretical physics. The odd path Pluto follows around the Sun continues to captivate astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. The debate over its reclassification as a dwarf planet has altered our perspective on planetary bodies, but new insights into its orbit have reignited interest in its role within the solar system. The concerns raised by Tyson and Kaku about a possible Pluto-Neptune collision highlight the complex forces that govern the movement of celestial objects. Their warnings emphasize the importance of understanding gravitational connections and orbital mechanics, which are key to understanding our solar system. Pluto's orbit, characterized by its eccentric shape and steep inclination, defies traditional ideas about planetary movement. Unlike the nearly circular orbits of its neighbors, Pluto's path crosses Neptune's orbit at various points in its long journey around the Sun. The gravitational influence of Neptune and other planets is crucial in stabilizing Pluto's orbit, keeping it in a relatively stable position over the course of centuries. However, predicting the future behavior of celestial bodies remains a complex and uncertain task. The possibility of a Pluto-Neptune collision, as suggested by experts, underscores the unpredictability and uncertainty inherent in planetary dynamics. While such an event seems highly unlikely in the short term, the gravitational interplay between Pluto and Neptune serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of forces in our solar system. The study of Pluto offers practical lessons for future space missions, helping us explore other distant bodies and deepen our understanding of planetary evolution. NASA's New Horizons mission, launched in 2006, provided remarkable images and data of Pluto and its moons during its historic flyby in 2015. The mission revealed striking details about Pluto's surface, including large expanses of water ice and vast plains of frozen nitrogen. These discoveries enhanced our understanding of the geological processes shaping this far-off dwarf planet. The success of the New Horizons mission exemplified the technological advancements and cooperative efforts necessary for deep space exploration. By studying Pluto and its moons, scientists gleaned valuable insights into the diversity of celestial bodies and the conditions at the far edges of the solar system. These findings have profound implications for future missions to explore other distant dwarf planets and trans-Neptunian objects, helping scientists learn more about planetary formation and evolution. Pluto's classification as a dwarf planet has also sparked discussions about the criteria used to define celestial bodies within our solar system, reflecting broader questions about scientific classification and the evolving nature of astronomical knowledge. Understanding Pluto's orbit helps expand our knowledge of celestial mechanics and planetary dynamics, particularly as we venture further into the outer reaches of the solar system. By studying Pluto's interactions with Neptune and other celestial bodies, we gain further insights into the formation and development of planetary systems. These insights are crucial for developing theories about the origins of our solar system and for understanding how planets and other bodies evolve over billions of years. Pluto's discovery and ongoing study have also contributed to our understanding of planetary motion and the development of the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with small icy bodies. Studying Pluto's orbit gives us clues about the gravitational interactions that might have shaped the formation of planets in the early solar system. This knowledge is invaluable for informing future space missions, including the search for potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. By studying the movements of distant celestial bodies, scientists can identify new targets for exploration and assess the feasibility of traveling to other star systems. Though the likelihood of a Pluto-Neptune collision is extremely low, it serves as a reminder of the ever-changing nature of the universe and the unpredictability of large-scale cosmic events. As we continue exploring the far reaches of our solar system and beyond, the study of planetary orbits and celestial mechanics will remain a central focus for astronomers and space agencies. Pluto's orbit, which diverges significantly from those of other planets, offers valuable lessons about the complexities of planetary motion and the stability it maintains over long periods. Despite its eccentricity, Pluto's orbit offers insights into the balance of forces shaping celestial movements. In a broader sense, the continued study of Pluto's orbit and its potential interactions with Neptune reminds us of the challenges involved in understanding the universe. With each new discovery and each theoretical model, we refine our knowledge of the cosmos, uncovering the mysteries of distant worlds. The exploration of Pluto's orbit reveals even more profound lessons about the intricate forces that govern our solar system. By studying how Pluto's path behaves in relation to other planets, particularly Neptune, we gain crucial insights into the mechanics of space. These findings not only shed light on Pluto's past, but also help us predict future trends in celestial behavior. Furthermore, these studies have broader implications for understanding the evolution of planetary systems and the dynamic forces shaping their orbits over time. As the outermost planet in our solar system, Pluto's unusual characteristics and orbital behavior challenge conventional models of planetary motion. Although its reclassification as a dwarf planet caused a re-evaluation of what constitutes a planet, its unique orbital path has only deepened scientific curiosity. The study of Pluto serves as a powerful reminder of how much remains to be discovered in the far reaches of space. Through careful observation and advanced modeling, we continue to refine our understanding of how planetary bodies interact and influence one another, which helps us appreciate the extraordinary complexity of our cosmic environment. Pluto's relationship with Neptune, particularly the intersection of their orbits, remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in modern astronomy. Despite their orbits crossing at points, the two planets do not collide thanks to a delicate balance of gravitational forces. This stable interaction offers a glimpse into the sophisticated nature of orbital mechanics. Understanding how Pluto's orbit maintains its stability despite its chaotic tendencies provides invaluable insights into the forces at play in our solar system and beyond. When scientists discuss the possibility of a future collision between Pluto and Neptune, they highlight the enormous challenges of predicting the behavior of objects in such distant parts of the solar system. Even the most advanced simulations struggle to account for every variable, which speaks to the inherent unpredictability of celestial mechanics. However, the very fact that Pluto's orbit is still stable despite its erratic nature suggests a degree of cosmic order that is not immediately apparent. While long-term predictions about planetary interactions remain speculative, the current state of our knowledge allows for cautious optimism that Pluto and Neptune will continue to orbit safely for the foreseeable future. The potential for a collision between these distant planets has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. The idea of two celestial bodies colliding in the vastness of space raises questions about the fundamental nature of the universe. While the chances of such a collision are astronomically low in the near term, the hypothetical event serves as a thought experiment that challenges our understanding of cosmic forces. If such a collision were to occur, the results would be truly cataclysmic, releasing unimaginable energy and potentially reshaping the solar system in unforeseen ways. These theoretical scenarios highlight the importance of continuing to study planetary orbits and gravitational interactions, as they may one day yield unexpected revelations. As we continue to explore Pluto and its interactions with Neptune, the study of these celestial bodies will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries that enhance our understanding of the universe. From the intricate dance of their orbits to the potential implications of a collision, Pluto's relationship with Neptune presents an ongoing opportunity for scientific inquiry. By applying the lessons learned from these studies, we can refine our models of planetary dynamics and gain deeper insights into the origins of our solar system. Furthermore, the exploration of such distant objects paves the way for future space missions aimed at understanding more about the farthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. These studies have practical implications for space exploration. For example, by understanding the behavior of Pluto's orbit and its interactions with Neptune, we can better predict the movements of other celestial bodies in the outer solar system. This knowledge is essential for planning future missions that may involve travel to the Kuiper Belt, a region populated by icy bodies beyond Neptune. Moreover, the lessons learned from Pluto's orbit can help us explore distant exoplanets, offering insights into how planetary systems evolve and interact in other star systems. In addition, the ongoing research into Pluto's orbital dynamics provides crucial information for assessing the long-term stability of our own solar system. By understanding how Pluto and Neptune maintain their stable paths, scientists can gain a better understanding of how other planets in our solar system will behave over time. This knowledge is essential for predicting potential hazards that may arise from cosmic events, such as asteroid impacts or gravitational shifts, which could affect Earth in the distant future. The more we learn about the behavior of distant planets like Pluto and Neptune, the better equipped we will be to predict and mitigate any future risks to our planet. As our understanding of Pluto's orbit deepens, we gain not only a better understanding of our own solar system, but also a broader perspective on the fundamental processes that govern planetary motion. The study of Pluto's orbit serves as a microcosm of the larger forces at work in the universe. By examining the dynamics of such a distant and mysterious object, we gain valuable insights into the behavior of all planetary bodies, both near and far. These discoveries remind us of how much there is still to learn about the cosmos and the complex processes that shape the evolution of planets and stars. At the same time, the ongoing exploration of Pluto serves as a reminder of how far humanity has come in understanding the universe. Through missions like NASA's New Horizons, we have been able to capture stunning images of Pluto's surface and gather data that has expanded our knowledge of this far-off world. The success of the New Horizons mission exemplifies the remarkable achievements of modern space exploration, highlighting the collaboration and engineering required to explore the most distant reaches of our solar system. As we continue to probe the outer limits of the solar system, the study of Pluto and other distant objects will play a critical role in shaping the future of space exploration. In conclusion, the potential for a Pluto-Neptune collision, while highly unlikely, underscores the dynamic nature of the universe and the complex forces that govern planetary motion. The study of Pluto's orbit, its interactions with Neptune, and the gravitational influences that shape its path provide valuable insights into the fundamental processes of celestial mechanics. By continuing to explore these distant worlds, we gain a deeper understanding of the universe's most fundamental mysteries and the forces that govern the motion of celestial bodies across space.